Mbalamusizaako badiyale buli omu gyasinzidde okuba nga alaba akatambi kano era ne mbeebaza gyonna gye mutuusaako engalo ate ne neebaza ne Mukama Katonda atukuumye ffenna buli omu waali. We thank God for life. Akonzese nkwogera nze ne mbagamba nti kasita obeera omulamu you have so many reasons to thank God. Kasita obeera omulamu ebisigadde tujja biraba mu maaso eyo. But for now twebaza Mukama olw'obulamu. Abalwadde tubasasiddeko, abafunye ebizibu by'enjawulo tubasasiddeko, nalina kyayitamu kyonna weekwate Mukama ojja kuba muwanguzi n'okukirawo. Olunaku leero mbaleetedde Pastor Rolland Mwesigwa ono nno ng'alina ka message akalungi buli omu ke yandibadde yeetaaga okuba nga awuliriza era saagala ofe ku bino bya Pastor Mugerwa byayogeddeko. Of course nabyo bikulu but message eri mu clip kano gy'osinga nate okuba nga oteekako ebirowoozo. Remember nze mbawe ebintu nga birimu message nsobola okuteeka wano nti Pastor Rolland ayogedde ku mukolo gwa Pastor Mugerwa naye nga njagala olabe message eri mu clip ako. Not only that message byayogedde ku Pastor Tom naye mba njagala nnyo n'ofuna message eri mu clip ako ke mba nkuwadde nze ye police yange bwenti bwe nkola ebintu byange wabula nga atubuliddeko nti yaliko ku mukolo gwa Pastor Tom Mugerwa era n'ebitonotono bye yayitamu n'abanga abitugamba naye nga bwe nkugambye njagala owulize nnyo message eri mu katambi kano era wano wennyini sigenda kusukkawo kambeere nga nkakuwa mukwano gwange omulungi obeere nga naawe okewulirirako tobeerabira okusubscribinga n'okusharinga. That's if you're new here. Mwena mbaagala nnyo. It's life in Christ.
Ku Sunday nabadde ku mbaga ya Pastor Tom.
On Sunday I attended Pastor Tom's wedding.
Nakedde.
I went early enough.
Natusenga webulu abantu nga 10.
I arrived when there were just like 10
people.
So I looked for my seat.
Kati nga banga omugole ayingira ate nga ngenda nkebera emmotoka
and they tell me the bride is coming. I ran out to check whether my lights are still on. I will tell them I'll check it later on.
Mbulu nevuga nti omugole akola ki? Ajja.
And shouts went out and they say the bride has arrived. What did they do? And they woke up. Tell your neighbor and they woke up. Number one. What makes you sleep? Because all people are sleeping. The other one has another oil. They are asleep. You're also sleeping. Impossible. Tell your neighbor don't sleep because all people are sleeping. It is the number one that shocked me about it. The second thing, that when they woke up, they realized their lamps had no oil. But these 5 wives, they had oil in their lamps. And now, this one has a lamp with oil. Why should I bother myself? I join them and I share maybe their oil. How many of you are getting me? Why do I have to run out when somebody has a lamp burning? Even if you send me away, I'll force myself behind you. Even if you jeer me, I say thank you. Even if you scorn me, you don't want to buy oil. I'll tell you you're wise enough, so you have oil in your lamp. Now lift your hand and say, I'm not such a fool. Tell your neighbor, if you have money, I will cling on you. Let me tell you one of the behaviors of poor people. I will tell you the characters of poor people. Whisper to your neighbor and tell them tantrums. Poor people have tantrums. Let me tell you the secret. You don't have to get annoyed over somebody who is better than you. And say, I have learned that from today. If someone is better than you, cannot make you annoyed. They cannot offend you. You cling on them until you grab something from them. If someone is better than you, you don't have to backbite them. They does no mistake.
Alinga mistake. Kati musekachi.
Now.
Buliza kulina niye uliriza biki.
Ask your neighbor, but what do you usually listen to?
Kankwecha.
Let me give you a secret.
Kijje kunzi.
Take it from me.
Salawo.
Make a choice. How many of you are going to make this choice?
Nti buli kintu ekitakwongerayo.
Whatever does not progress you,
tokiwa matu tokiwa maaso.
Don't give it your ears, don't give it your eyes.
Buli kitagenda kuteeka sente kwa account.
Whatever will not put money on your account.
Tandika okusala osigenda kiddamu kiwa biseera kati.
Now begin to determine I will no more give it my time again.
Ng'onyumirwa social media ebintu ebisesa obusesa.
You know you love things that make you laugh on social media.
Give me oil in my heart.
Now give me oil in my lamp.
May my light never be dim.
Let my lamp
keep me burning, keep me burning.
Keep me burning and keep me burning.
Until the coming of the King.
Until the coming of the King.
He said,
Yagambye,
whether you serve God or the devil,
oba oweereza Katonda oba oweereza Sitaani,
there is one thing both of them cannot tolerate.
Waliwo ekintu kimu bombiriri kye batayinza gumiikiriza.
Laziness.
Obugayaavu.
Oba oweereza Katonda oba oweereza Sitaani.
Whether you serve God or the devil.
Bonna balina kye bafaanaganya atalazisa omulundi gumu. Bonna tebaagala muntu omugayaavu.
They all have one common thing. They don't love somebody who is lazy.
Kyova olaba eri abasamiza abaavu.
It is why there are still witch doctors who are poor.
They are
serving their devils, but they are poor.
Now
lift your hands and say, I will not be lazy.